At the end.
2709, San Francisco, Roger, line up and wait, runway 07.
Southwest at 2709.
Niner 18, arrive for 9, vacate via taxiway Alpha, continue taxi Alpha to gate 3.
Thank you. Exit via Alpha, taxi via Alpha to 3, Southwest 918.
2709, wind 060 degrees, 7 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Let takeoff 07 West at 2709.
Niner 55, continue approach, traffic rolling, and wind 060 degrees, 7 knots.
Continue approach Delta 1955.
Niner 55, cleared to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 7 knots.
And runway 7, Delta 1955.
2709, airborne 51, contact radar 120.8, good day.
120.8, good day, West at 2709.
One 9055, arrive 53, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Hello, and contact ground, Delta 1955.
1804, Sangster Toll. Clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear to land, runway 07, Rouge 224.
Tower, good morning, cover 14. On finals, 10 miles away, 07.
For 6, thanks for Roger. Continue approach runway 07, number 1 traffic over the line.
Continue approach runway 07, Copa 146, thank you.
Oh, 6 Yankee November Alpha, holding short on 07 on Delta.
Rouge 1804, arrive 59er, vacate by Alpha, contact San to ground 121.7.
Alpha, ground 217, Rouge 1804.
Con 764, San Tower, continue approach, runway 07. Copa 146, clear to land runway 07. Wind 070 degrees, 10 knots.
Runway 07, Copa 146, thank you.
Citation 750 on 8 mile final, caution 9 mile final, runway 07, descending out of 3,000 feet. Remain north and clear of the approach path.
Traffic and remain north and clear the approach path, 6 November Alpha.
Paul 146, arrive 03, vacate by taxiway Alpha, contact San to ground 121.7.
121.7, Copa 146, thank you.
Runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear to land runway 7, transcon 764.
arrive 05, vacate by taxiway Bravo. Cross Alpha, Alpha 1 to the FBO.
So cross Alpha, Alpha 1 to the FBO, Transcon 764.
American 1616, thanks to tower. Clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 11 knots.
Land runway 07, American 1616.
American 1616, cancel landing clearance, continue approach runway 07.
Clearance American 1616.
American 1616, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 11 knots.
07, American 1616.
American 1616 arrived 11, vacate by Alpha, contact strength to ground 121.7.
Vacate Alpha 121.7, American 1616.
United 1462, thanks to tower.
United 1462 is with runway 7.
United 1462, clear to land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots.
Runway 7, yeah, 1462. RP 07.
2566, thanks to tower, continue approach runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 16 knots.
Westshot 2566, continue.
United 1462, arrive 25, vacate via Alpha, contact strength to ground 121.7.
Vacate on ground. Vacate on Alpha over the ground, United 1462.
Land runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 15 knots.
07, Westshot 2566.
Roger 2566, arrive 34, vacate by Alpha, contact strength to ground 121.7.
Alpha 217, Westshot 2566. .522, ready, hold short 7.
JetBlue 522, thanks to tower. Line up and wait runway 07.
7, JetBlue 522.
Flying Juliet November Alpha, arrive 38, vacate via taxiway Delta, cross Alpha to the ramp, give way to the JetBlue taxi on Alpha. Monitor ground 121.7. 522, cleared for takeoff runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Here, takeoff 7, JetBlue 522. RNT runway 7.
American 3228, thanks to tower, continue approach, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 18 knots. Airborne 40, contact thanks to radar 120.8, good day.
0.8 for JetBlue 522, good day.
American 3228, clear 10 knots.
Land runway 7, American 3228.
Country 228, arrived for 6, vacate by Alpha, caution, vacate by Bravo, contact thanks to ground 121.7.
Bravo over to ground, American 3228. Hello, Delta 1997, RNP 07.
Delta 1997, thanks to tower, clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 17 knots, and be advised traffic, Cessna 206, departing station, proceeding westbound for 2,000 feet, will be north and clear of the approach path.
Departing traffic in sight, clear to land 07, Delta 1997.
613, approaching Usain, RMP, runway 7.
American 1613, thanks to tower, continue approach runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 14 knots. Traffic, Cessna 206, 1 mile north of station, proceeding westbound, will be north and clear of the approach path and climbing to 2,000 feet.
Continue for runway 07, American 1613, thank you.
November Alpha, remain north and clear of the approach path. Airborne 47, contact thanks to radar 120.8, good day.
Thanks for the approach and over to radar 120.8, 67 Alpha. Arriba.
Delta 1997, arrive 49er, vacate by Bravo, contact thanks to ground 121.7.
Hello, 1217, Delta 1997.
American 1613, clear to land runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 16 knots.
Runway 07, American 1613.
Vision Jet November 847 Charlie Bravo on the RNAV 07.
847 Charlie Bravo. Thanks to tower, continue approach runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 17 knots.
Continue approach 847 Charlie Bravo.
American 1616, arrive 53, vacate via Bravo, contact thanks to ground 121.7.
Bravo, and over to ground 121.7, American 1613, thank you.
847 Charlie Bravo, clear to land at runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 13 knots.
Land 07847 Charlie Bravo.
0907, thanks to tower, confirm this frequency.
We're up with traffic on short final inside Southwest 907.
Land 07, roger, behind landing vision jet, short final, line up and wait behind runway 07.
Landing vision jet on short final, line up and wait behind runway 07, Southwest 907.
847 Charlie Bravo, arrive 58, vacate via Bravo, and confirm parking at the Jet Center.
Okay, Bravo, and yes, going to IAM Jet Center, 847 Charlie Bravo.
West 907, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 17 knots.
For takeoff, runway 07, Southwest 907.
Thanks to Tower Transcon 764 is holding short of runway 7 at Alpha.
Wait, runway 07.
Right, runway 07, Transcon 764.
That was 907, airborne on the hour, contact Sancta radar 120.8, good day.
Switching over, good day to you, Southwest 907.
Transcon 764, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 13 knots.
For takeoff, runway 07, Transcon 764.
For 90 degrees, 25 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
On 07, subjet 114.
Arrive 24, vacate via taxiway Bravo. Taxi Alpha, Echo Foxtrot to gate 17, monitor ground 121.7, good day.
Okay, the Alpha, it's actually Echo Foxtrot stand 17 and contact ground 121.7, subjet 114, good day.